Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is Z transform and ROC of finite duration sequence. Subject is signals and systems. In this class we will be solving 3 problems for finding the Z transform of right hand sequence, left hand sequence and two-sided sequence, and find what is X of Z and what is ROC. Okay, let us start the problem. The first topic is right hand sequence. So, what is the given question? Find the Z transform and ROC of the causal sequence. The given X of n is 2, minus 1, 4, 2, 0, 3. The given arrow is at 2. It means the origin value is 2. Okay. So, how do we write? This value is X of 0. This is X of 1. X of 2, X of 3, X of 4 and X of 5. So, how the sequence is? From the arrow the values are given. So, it is known as right hand sequence. Okay, let us start the solution. First write the sequence. X of n is equal to 2, minus 1, 4, 2, 0 and 3. Put the arrow at 2. Okay, it is a right hand sequence. So, what is X of 0 value? X of 0 value is 2. X of 1 value is minus 1. X of 2 value is 4. X of 3 is 2, X of 4 is 0 and X of 5 is 3. Okay, these are the values at this particular positions. What is Z transform equation? X of Z, that is Z transform of X of n is equal to X of Z is given by summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z to the power of minus n. Okay. So, we can use it as it is clear the sequence is from 0 to 5. So, now we can write the summation n is equal to 0 to 5 x of n z to the power of minus n. Open the summation now. X of z is equal to x of 0 z to the power of 0 plus x of 1 z to the power of minus 1 plus x of 2 z to the power of minus 2. Opening the substituting n is equal to 2 plus x of 3 z to the power of minus 3 plus x of 4 z to the power minus 4 plus x of 5 z to the power of minus 5. Okay. So, what is x of 0 value? 2. Z to the power of 0 is 1 plus what is x of minus 1? Minus 1. Z to the power minus 1 plus 4 z to the power minus 2 plus 2 z to the power minus 3 plus 0 because x of 4 value is 0 plus 3 z to the power of minus 5. Okay. So, it is written as 2 minus z to the power minus 1 plus 4 z to the power of minus 2 plus 2 z to the power of minus 3 plus 3 z to the power of minus 5. This is x of z. Okay. So, what you observe here? The given x of z is coming to be this one. Okay. Now what is ROC? What is ROC? The values of z for which x of z converges, for which x of z is a finite value. So if you take this one, x of z can be written as 2 minus 1 by z plus 4 by z square plus 2 by z to the power 3 plus 3 by z to the power of 5. Okay, if you put here z is equal to 0, it will become infinite. Okay, for all other values x of z will be finite. So what will be ROC now? What is the definition of ROC? The value of z for which x of z converges. The values of z for which x of z is finite. So ROC is the x of z converges for all values of z except z is equal to 0. So this is ROC. So we got h of x of z and ROC for right hand sequence. Now coming to the next question, question number 2, that is left hand sequence. Left hand sequence. Okay, let us take the question. X of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 0 and 2. Let the arrow be here. Okay, this is a left hand because from the arrow you are having these bits values. Okay, so how to solve this problem now? So write the question. X of n is given as 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 0, 2 with the arrow at 2. What is arrow indicating? The value at origin is 2. So what it will be? X of 0 value is 2. So what it will be? X of minus 1, x of minus 2, x of minus 3, x of minus 4 and x of minus 5. Okay, likewise. So what is x of minus 5 value now? It is 1. X of minus 4 value is 2. X of minus 3 value is 3. X of minus 5, x of minus 4, x of minus 3, x of minus 2. X of minus 2 is how much now? Minus 4. X of minus 2 is equal to minus 4. X of minus 1 is equal to 0 and x of 0 is equal to 2. What is the definition of x of z? Z transform of x of n is written as capital X of z. Equation is summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z to the power of minus n. So here what is the summation? From minus 5 to 0. So we can write the summation n is equal to minus 5 to 0 x of n z to the power of minus n, or we can simply write x of z is equal to x of minus 5 z to the power of minus 5 plus x of minus 4 z to the power of minus 4 plus x of minus 3 z to the power of minus 3, x of minus 2 Now what will happen? You are substituting n is equal to minus 5. So it should become plus x of minus 2 z to the power of 2 plus x of minus 1 z plus x of 0 z to the power of 0. Okay. So substitute what is x of minus 5? 1. So z to the power 5 plus what is x of minus 4? 2. 2 times of z to the power of 4 plus x of minus 3 is 3, z to the power of 3 plus x of minus 2 is minus 4, x of minus 1 is 0 plus 2, z to the power 0 value is 1. Okay. So we get the answer x of z is equal to x of z is coming to be as z to the power of 5, 2z to the power of 4 plus 3z to the power of 3 minus 4z to the power of 2 plus 2. Okay, this is x of z. Now what is ROC? This is coming to be as x of z. Okay, ROC. What is ROC? The values of z for which x of z is finite. The values of z for which x of z converges. Converges means some finite value. When it will be finite? So x of z will be converge for all values of z except z is equal to infinity. So what is ROC here? ROC is the x of z converges x of z converges for all values of z except z is equal to infinity. Okay. So if you carefully observe, if for a left hand sequence your x of z will have positive powers of z. Okay. Now coming to the third question. What is the third question? Two-sided sequence. Two-sided sequence. Let the question given be x of n is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 6 and 7. Okay. Let the arrow be at 4. This is a two-sided sequence because you are having right hand values as well as left hand values. So what is the solution now? So first write x of n. X of n is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 6 and 7. Origin value is 4. So write what is this one? X of 0 is 4. X of minus 1, x of minus 2, x of minus 3. So what is x of minus 3 value? 1. X of minus 2 value? 2. X of minus 1 value? Minus 3. X of 0 value is how much? 4. Arrow indicates origin. X of 1 value is 5. X of 2 value is minus 6 and x of 3 value is 7. Okay. Now write the definition of x of z. Z transform of x of n is equal to x of z. Its equation is summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z to the power of minus n. So, here the summation is starting from minus 3, n is equal to minus 3 till what sequence it is having? Till 3. So, n is equal to minus 3 to 3, x of n z to the power of minus n. Now, expand the summation. X of z is equal to x of minus 3 z to the power of 3 plus x of minus 2 z to the power of 2 plus x of minus 1 z to the power 1 plus x of 0 z to the power of 0 plus x of 1 z to the power of minus 1 plus x of 2 z to the power of minus 2 plus x of 3 z to the power of minus 3. Substitute the values of x of minus 3. What is x of minus 3? 1 z to the power 3 plus x of minus 2 is 2 z square plus x of minus 1 is 3 minus 3 plus x of 0 value is 4 z to the power 0 value is 1 plus x of 1 5 z to the power of minus 1 plus minus 6 to the power z to the power minus 2 plus 7 z to the power minus 3. So, what it is coming? Z to the power 3 2z square minus 3z plus 4 plus 5z to the power minus 1 minus 6z to the power minus 2 plus 7z to the power of minus 3. Okay. So, we can write x of z value as z to the power 3 plus 2z square minus 3z plus 4 plus 5z to the power minus 1 minus 6z to the power minus 2 plus 7z to the power minus 3. So, what values of z for which x of z converges? So, if you put z is equal to infinity, it will become infinite, or if you put z is equal to 0, it will also become infinite. So, what is a ROC for a two-sided sequence? The ROC for two-sided sequence will be for all values of z except z is equal to 0, 0 and z is equal to infinity. So, ROC is given as the x of z converges for all values of z except z is equal to 0 and z is equal to infinity. Okay. So, we have seen 3 examples. We are applying Z transform to right hand sequence. Okay, to left hand sequence or two-sided sequence. So what is ROC here? ROC will be entire z plane except z is equal to 0. Okay. So let's suppose quickly take an example. If x of n is equal to 1 and 2. Okay. So what is x of z coming to be here? 1 plus 2z to the power of minus 1. So if you put z is equal to 0 here, it will become infinity. So ROC is x of z converges for all values except z is equal to 0. Okay. If you take left hand sequence, x of n is equal to 1, 2. What is x of z for this? X of z is z plus 2. So ROC will be entire z plane except z is equal to infinity. For a two-sided sequence, let the example be x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3. So x of z will come as z plus 2 plus 3z to the power minus 1. So except z is equal to 0 and z is equal to infinity, x of z converges for other values. Okay. So for finite duration, z transform for finite duration sequence we have done. Okay. So what is the summary or takeaway? Z transform of x of n is equal to x of z summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z to the power of minus n. Okay. So let us quickly summarize it once again. If you have taken right hand sequence, x of n is equal to as 1, 2. So answer this will come as x of z is equal to 1 plus 2z to the power minus 1. For the second question, if x of n is equal to 1, 2 and arrow is at 2, it is a left hand sequence, then x of z will become z plus 2. And if you take the third sequence, x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and arrow is in the middle, it is two-sided sequence, then x of z will become z plus 2 plus 3 z to the power minus 1. Okay. So what is ROC here? X of z converges for all values of z except z is equal to 0. Okay. For this, ROC is entire z plane except z is equal to infinity. X of z converges for all values of z except z is equal to infinity. Here x of z converges for all values of z except at z is equal to 0 and z is equal to infinity. Okay. I hope you have understood the class. So in this class we have done Z transform for finite duration, right hand sequence, left hand sequence and two-sided sequence. In the next class we will be seeing Z transform of infinite duration. Thank you. Good luck students. If you have any queries, post in the comments. Thank you.